Get ready for an exciting upgrade. The Galaxy Watch 6 is about to enter a new era with the highly anticipated One UI 8 Watch Beta. Samsung is bringing the future to your wrist. The One UI 8 Watch Beta program has officially kicked off for the Galaxy Watch 6, and it's a significant step forward for Samsung's wearable technology. While the update is currently live in South Korea, we anticipate a wider rollout soon, which is great news for Galaxy Watch enthusiasts worldwide. But here's where it gets controversial. Samsung has also concluded beta testing for the Galaxy Watch 7, which could mean a stable update is just around the corner. So what does this mean for the older Galaxy Watch 6? Well, it's an exciting prospect, and we can't wait to see how it unfolds. According to a Samsung Community Forum post, the One UI 8 Watch Beta is now accessible to Galaxy Watch 6 users. It's worth noting that this update likely applies to the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic as well, given their shared hardware. The beta has been spotted in Korea, and while there's no official word on its availability elsewhere, we can't help but speculate. After all, the Galaxy Watch 7 beta was available in the US, so it's reasonable to expect the same for the Watch 6. And this is the part most people miss. Samsung has been rather tight-lipped about the firmware availability for watches. Unlike the detailed timeline they've provided for phone updates, it leaves us wondering, when will the stable update arrive? One UI 8 Watch brings a host of impressive features to the Galaxy Watch. From enhanced pinch controls that offer a wider range of functions to the introduction of the Now bar, keeping you informed about live activities. It's a game changer. Health-focused features also get a boost with improved sleep alerts and mindfulness reminders. So what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of the One UI 8 Watch on your Galaxy Watch 6? We'd love to hear your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. Will it revolutionize your wearable experience? Let's discuss.